Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial River channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm opening it. Click on profile and first time need to copy username. Now I'm copy the username and go to new tab, log in Facebook account and switch to profile to page. Click on here, click on edit, scroll down, edit your about info and now tap on add a social link. And you need to just paste here your Instagram username and just click on save. Okay, now finally connect Facebook page to Instagram. That's how you can easily connect your Facebook to Instagram account.